All right, you would think with the global recession that all airlines are hurting. Well, that's not the case, with China's airlines standing head and shoulders above the competition. Our markets editor, Andy Singo, crunched the numbers for the story. I love it when you crunch numbers, Andy. What'd you find?
Carol, this was interesting because, we kept talking for a couple of days here in the newsroom about this upcoming Paris Air Show and that airlines aren't making a lot of money. And, of course, they're not going to be buying lots of planes. But that doesn't necessarily mean that all airlines are in the tank. As you mentioned, Chinese airlines are doing really well. So we went inside the Bloomberg terminal, looked at the Bloomberg World Airlines Index, and a surprising thing popped out. Take a look at the figures here. Hainan Airlines, 65%. It is by far the biggest gainer so far this year. That only trades in mainland China. China Southern, their 8 shares, 59%. Air China, 51%. China Eastern, 49%. And this last one, Carol, is perhaps also very interesting. LAN Airlines. This is a Chilean airline, in fact, and it is number 5 on our list. It is up 22% so far this year. Now, Carol, you may be wondering why Chinese airlines are doing so well because of the communist country's economic affairs. They have pumped so much money in here into their economy, and also there is more domestic demand, as the New York Times reports this morning. Demand there has rebounded quite nicely, and that's pretty good for the Chinese airlines because they fly, obviously, so much within that country. Now, for an American who wants to get exposure to these airlines, there's really only 2 choices here because the Chinese airlines don't trade very much outside of China or Hong Kong. So there's a China Southern ADR, ticker is ZNH, and Chile's LAN Airlines, the ticker there is LFL. Carol.
Wow, great runs. Unbelievable. All right, Andy, thank you.